Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and let's head right into it. I got my assistant Tim here, and he's going to mix the cube up. Okay, first we do the white crust. So actually that is there already. We have to do the daisy. That's actually really easy. That would be the daisy, see? And now we have to do the white crust. That would be, we have to line that up with the right color. And go all the way down. This already lined up, all the way down. This is also already lined up, down, already lined up, down. So now we got the white cross. And now we have to line this up like that. And then left trigger. If you don't guys know what left trigger is, up, that, down. Same thing, right trigger. Okay, this is left trigger. This is right trigger, up. Okay, that's right trigger. Up, down, down. And then I got the bottom solved, but also at the same time I got the first layer solved. And now we're going to do the belt. If you don't know what the belt is, second layer, easy. Go, we connect that, the bottom, and which side is red? Left. I push with my left finger and do the left trigger. And now that one's out of place, but I turn that to go like that, and I do right trigger. Right side. And we keep doing that. It's just not allowed to be any yellow. Okay? Now right, up, down, 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 there, like that. And then we go like that, and like that. That top, there, right. And if there is yellow on every one of them, just do right triggers and left triggers. Just put the white back in place, okay? Or else you're just not gonna trust me. And if I would have said that, you would always just do left trigger and right trigger without putting the white back in place, and your cube would be messed up. So please put them back in place. There we go, like that. And boom, we got the belt, and my white is still solved. Now we want to do an algorithm called through rough. I forgot to say this in the other video. Always when you have it like that, go 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock, okay? If it's straight line, it has to be like that. Always like that. It doesn't matter like that or like that, but it always has to be straight like that. Okay, and the algorithm is called through rough. F clockwise, R clockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, counterclockwise, counterclockwise. And then I got the straight line. And now I do the same thing. F clockwise, actually F clockwise, R clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. My white's still soft. I got a yellow cross. Now we're going to do an algorithm called roo. If you already solved the 2x2 cube, it won't be too hard because you have to do an algorithm called roo without the U at the end. So, and that's what it does. This algorithm is switches these two. So if I want to switch these two, R, U, R, U, R, 2 times U, down. Oh my god, like that. I switch these two. See? Okay, now I'm going to say it with the stuff. Clockwise R, top clockwise, R counter clockwise, top clockwise, R clockwise, 2 times up clockwise, and R counterclockwise. I got the white, that, and then you always turn the top once. And now I got all these in place. And then we keep going for an algorithm called roo. This is the hardest one I've learned in. If you get past this, actually, you're actually going to be able to solve a cube. And it's actually not that bad, but it can be hard at the beginning. Roo is algorithm that got these in place. This one is actually already in place because the red is here, green here, and yellow at the top. So this one's actually in place. We're going to do algorithm later that puts these really in place. This one isn't, this one isn't, this one isn't. So always the one that is in place, you hold bottom right. U clockwise, R clockwise, L counterclockwise, U, wait. Wait for a sec. Just please. Wait. Did I just forget this algorithm? I hope not. Oh my god. This was actually the easy algorithm. I think I just forgot it. I'm an idiot. You rule. Maybe I'm just a stupid idiot and can't get through this. I think I'm just a stupid idiot. I think so. I know it goes something like that. Holy crap, I'm an idiot. Let's see. Let's see what I can do. That was actually just it. I'm such a freaking idiot. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. That bottom right, ready? Like that. Clockwise top. R clockwise. Wait. Okay, I know what to do. Right clockwise. Wait. Okay. Actually, I know what to do now. R clockwise. L counterclockwise. Top counterclockwise. Wait. Okay, I actually know what to do. I'm such a freaking idiot. R clockwise. Then top counterclockwise. L counterclockwise. Top clockwise. Sorry, for a second. Wait for a second, please. Just. There we go. There. Sorry. Where were we? Okay. Right counterclockwise. Top counterclockwise. L clockwise. And then we can put these back in place. Like that. This isn't in place. Isn't in place. Isn't in place. Is in place. Isn't in place. U U L U L. You rule. In place. Isn't in place. Isn't in place. Isn't in place. U clockwise. R clockwise. Top counterclockwise. L counterclockwise. Up clockwise. R counterclockwise. Top counterclockwise and L clockwise. Yes. In place. Okay, so this blue, if it's facing towards me, it never moves, okay? This algorithm is called RDRD. Last algorithm in the infinity cube. Okay, this algorithm called RD. This blue is not allowed to move from me. If you have green, if you have orange there, not allowed to move. Green, not allowed to move. Red, not allowed to move. But for this algorithm, okay, I'm gonna take blue. RD, 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 RD. You always have to do last. And you turn clockwise, and then you do it again. RD, 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 RD. Next one. RD, 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 RD. There. RD, 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 RD. And then this top one is mostly not in place, but if you move it, it goes in place, and you get the whole cube then. With the RD, R counterclockwise. Wait, RD, okay. Wait, okay. R counterclockwise, D counterclockwise, R clockwise, and D clockwise, okay? Okay, bye guys, but before you go, please leave a like on the video and please subscribe, okay? Bye, see you next.